In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AnyDoc Translator to Chrome. By the end, you'll have a powerful translation tool right in your browser, ready to handle full web pages, selected text, and even PDFs and documents without leaving Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. This process is designed for the desktop version of Chrome, so make sure you're not using a different browser or a mobile app. With Chrome open, head to the Chrome Web Store. You can get there by searching for Chrome Web Store in the address bar and opening the official store page. Once you're in the store, look for the search box and type AnyDoc Translator. You should see the extension appear in the results. Take a quick moment to confirm you've found the correct listing by checking the name and reading the brief description. When you're confident it's the right one, click the Add to Chrome button. A small permission pop-up will appear explaining what the extension needs in order to work properly. This is standard for Chrome extensions. Review the information, then click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install it automatically. Give it a moment. When the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message, and the extensions icon will be available in the toolbar area at the top right. After installation, click the puzzle piece icon in the toolbar to open your list of extensions. Find AnyDoc Translator in that list, then click Pin. Pinning keeps the icon visible at all times, so you can access it quickly whenever you need it. Now you're ready to use it. To translate full web pages, open any page in Chrome and click the AnyDoc Translator icon you pinned. The page content will be translated right within the tab, so you can read without switching apps. If you only need a portion translated, highlight the text on the page and use the instant translation option that appears, or trigger translation from the pinned icon. This is great for quick definitions, short paragraphs, or anything you want to check on the fly. You can also translate PDFs and documents directly in Chrome. Open the file in a Chrome tab and then use the extension to translate the content while you view it. That's it. You've added AnyDoc Translator to Chrome, pinned it for easy access, and you're ready to translate entire pages, selected text, and documents right inside your browser.